Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the brand new fall 2026 Princess Margaret Home Lottery. This time around they only have one grand prize and the grand prize is valued at $6.8 million. Now the home value is $6.3 million plus you get $500,000 in cash. So that's where the $6.8 million in total comes from. But take a look. They say it's European styling. You can see the archways, and I think the first looks pretty nice to me. It looks all right. Now, I don't think it's worth 6 million just based on other homes around the area. Here's a look in the back, and you can see this looks pretty nice. Now, there is going to be a lounge outside covered. You can see that. There's a barbecue area and of course a pool. And I think we're going to see a little bit of a better picture of the pool near the end. I'll save that to the last. But we're looking at it first together, first time. Let me know in the comments what you think, and please subscribe if you like my tours. I usually try to get rid of all of the, the arrows and all of that, so you can see a nice clean shot. So if you give me a thumbs up if you like that, please do give a thumbs up. Here we are in the great room. I really like that they brought the archways are circular outside. I like that everything doesn't have a hard edge. The furniture is very soft. I like the tables. Again, very circular. The couch looks comfy, both of them. The chairs look amazing. I do like that. Neutral. The ceiling I could live without, but I mean, I think it would look better darker. But it's still nice. The island's great. I like the fluting around it. I like the marble top. Matches the backsplash there. The two windows is interesting. That bring natural light into that area, which I think is fantastic. Looks like the hidden fridge and freezer and the doors. Yeah, I like it so far. I really like this. Now, the cupboards kind of look too much like the floor, so I think I would do some other contrast there if I were to do this. And I think Sarah Baeumler and her husband built this and she did the interior design. I think they're from what, HGTV or something? I don't know. I should know that. I think they're Canadian. I'm really bad at that. Anyway, I do like this. Looks really good. Now there's a little, I think we'll see those chairs a little bit better. Yeah, but looks really comfortable. I could see myself sitting at that island. No problem at all. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Don't be shy. And now we're going to take a look at the next picture right here. Just a little close up. Now that's just, I guess, if you're going to have breakfast and stuff like that. So looks like it seats, what is it, 4, 5, 6. 6-seater, but very tiny. So that's definitely just like for a little breakfast or something. But I would probably use the stools at that instead of that because the chairs don't look that comfy. But a sneak peek outside shows there's a barbecue. And of course, we do have a Butler's pantry. Now, those things on the walls, I think would get knocked down and broken. I mean, they already look like they're broken up there, but so I'd get rid of those for sure. But that's beautiful. You know, you can put some appliances in here, maybe a Breville toaster or maybe another microwave, and kind of just use this for your everyday. Leave your kitchen clean. That's probably what I would do in this case. But yeah, I don't mind it. It looks pretty nice. Um, Lots of room, and that's all you can really want. Here's another shot of the great room, the other side, so you can see the beautiful window. They're using the curtains, carpeting, so you're probably going to get a nice sound in there. It's not like an echo because it looks like a rather large open concept, right? So you do need kind of a rug in there to quiet it down. The furniture looks like it can do that as well. Oh, there we go. Yeah, fireplace. That looks nice. Again, the archway, doors leading into the other rooms. Very nice. Again, European style windows. I'm sure the lighting's fantastic. Natural light coming in. I think the tickets start at $100, guys. Make sure you go to Princess Margaret Home Lottery website and take a look around. I'll do more videos. I'll be showing you more, of course, of this home. But in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Please hit subscribe. It will really help my channel. And you'll be, maybe the notification bell, so you'll be notified in the newest videos that I post. Here is a nice formal room. So this is where you do your events, all your holidays. You're going to celebrate with family and friends. You can invite them. Looks like it seats up to 10 here. So yeah, this is a perfect spot for the holidays. Very nice. Coming up soon. Perfect place for just to celebrate life and enjoy, especially if you win this. I mean, come on, celebrate. Here we are. So this one looks like it's the study, home office. It looks as it got some room over there. You can definitely store things in those, looks like 3 drawers over there. Store your stuff out of the way. It's just waiting for your computer. And then you're all good. Okay, here we are. Now, I'm assuming this is the master bedroom. Again, it looks kind of like, I don't know, maybe it's not, but we'll find out in a minute. It looks rather large. 2 chairs. I think I don't know if I like the 2 chairs or if I'd rather the, little love seat kind of thing in there. I'm not sure. Or just even just one of those benches that go across the end of the bed. But they do look comfortable. Again, very round. Yes, this is the ensuite, master ensuite. Again, the nice rounded chair for the wife or woman or girlfriend or spouse or lover or whatever. They can sit there, put in their contact lenses, do some makeup. Beautiful shower. Looks like a nice walk-in. Very traditional door over there, which is kind of interesting. The wooden door over there. Doesn't really go with everything I'm seeing, but it is nice to see. Now you might want to put a nice white kind of polar bear skin rug or something in here. Got a sauna, so your walk-in shower, you got a sauna in the same spot. Interesting. Totally relaxing here. I'm already getting relaxed. I'm chilled out, guys. Now this home does have an elevator. It has over 7,534 square feet of living room, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. So enough for everybody. Here's the games room downstairs on the lower level. So we got an interesting pool table there. Now, looks like brass or gold accents on the left, kind of storing things. Not in love with that, but I do like the space here. Very easy to work with it. And again, it does come with $500,000 in cash, so you could modify things if you're going to keep the home, or you could sell it. Typically, people are selling it because the taxes for the middle class is kind of, too high for people with regular jobs. But anyways, let's take a look at this. They call this the theater. So to me, if you've been watching my videos, I think a home theater should be a home theater, like a separate room. There's no fireplace in a home theater, guys. It should be all blacked out, projector, not a TV. But anyways, this is still a nice area. I would just call this a rec room, not a theater. And it's still very cozy. I like it. But it's just not a theater. Next up, we got the bedroom down there. So you guest suite, I believe. Again, the wooden doors, I like them. They just look a little odd because they remind me of 1900s or 1800s. And then you got the modern vibe going on with it. Nothing wrong with that, but just interesting that they chose those doors. I do like them better than the modern doors or no doors that they sometimes do. Everything's beautiful, symmetrical. This one's interesting. This has got a back baseboard or headboard, I should say. A headboard that goes all the way across. That's very interesting. I haven't seen that before. But it works. The carpet, I could live without that carpet. Or just the color combination is a little strange. Nothing. This doesn't doesn't give me much excitement. But good room. I like this. This is kind of cool. Looks like a cat would scratch that a lot, but it looks comfortable, doesn't it? It makes you want to just touch it. Very tactile. Looks smooth and comfy. You just want to squeeze that bed. The lights are nice. I like the treatment that they did on the wall. Gives it an upscaled look. I like that a lot. Curtains. Curtains are back, guys. Remember for a while there, a lot of people were doing blinds. Yeah, this is a sports court. So it looks like you're overlooking a basketball court. I don't know if that's probably just a small room. But anyways, this looks like a little, you can watch the sports games on the TV. So this is a sports court area. Your guests can hang out here. This is like a man cave, I guess, or a woman cave if you're into the sports. But I don't think we get to see, this is the last photo, so you don't get to see the basketball court. Hopefully I can get that in another video. But for now, what do you guys think? This is the backyard. The pool looks nice. Everything looks beautiful. Ready for you to win. So let me know, please, in the comments. And remember to subscribe. Really, I need to reach that 1,000 to make it worthwhile. But thank you so much if you made it through. The secret word will be Sauna. So if you write Sauna, I'll know that you made it to the end. And just thanks a lot for watching. And I'll see you in the next video where I do the other 2 prizes. Again, this year looks like they're only doing 1 grand prize. And I'll see you in the next video.